ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಲ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತವೆ, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್, ತೊಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ. ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಅದನ್ನು ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓದೋದನ್ನು ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಂಗಿರ್ತವೆ. Right, now fine. Statement based question number 21. You can start from question number 21. Ah, 21. Fine. What is the font you have kept this one?
18.
18. Okay. Right.
First 4 to 5 size.
Size is very big. In a party, 75% took tea, 60% took coffee, and 15% took both tea and coffee. No one taking milk. Take tea. Each person takes at least one drink. That's all. Each person takes at least one drink. At least means there are some people take even 2 drinks also. So that, okay, let's take. In a party, there are number of people are what? 75%. P at the bottom. You have to write P. It means 75%. 60% coffee. 60% take coffee. And 15% take both tea and coffee. 15% persons take both coffee and tea. Coffee plus tea. Coffee. No one taking milk takes tea. No one taking milk takes tea. Those who take tea, they do not take milk. That's no. No one taking milk takes tea. Right. Yes. So right, each person takes at least one drink. 1 minute. 75%. Right. Now question, how many persons attended the party? How many persons attended the party? Right, now we can see number of persons, right. Now we can see statements attended the party. Statement 50% took milk. Statement 2, number of persons who attended the party is 5 times the number of persons who took milk only. Right, statement, which is the statement corrected? Let's see, that is why. Now we can see this is the information. And
sir, another data, 75% takes tea.
It means 70% at least take one drink.
75% takes tea.
75% takes tea. How?
In a party, 75% took tea.
This is tea, isn't it?
Tea. Now we will find
total person. How many persons are there? Question is what? How many persons are attended the party? Right. 75 will take tea. 60 took coffee, and 15 takes both tea and coffee. Those who are taking milk, no one taking milk takes tea. No one taking milk takes tea means what does it mean? That is,
who doesn't drink milk, they are taking tea.
Those who take tea do not take milk. Okay. That's right. Anyway, but there is no like that.
Drink milk, they will take tea.
Yes. How many persons total attended party? Now we can see tea, coffee plus tea. You can see Venn diagram you can take. So this is for both. 15% will take coffee and tea. This is the coffee and this is tea you can take. 75%, 75 will take tea means total in circle, so there must be 75 in this circle. Total. Only tea means this is comes here.
75 means
Total circle, tea circle, there must be 75. 75 already 15 is there. 75 minus 15?
60.
60. So 75 it's okay, qualifies. And coffee 60. Coffee circle there must be 60. You can take 45. So total coffee takers are what? 60. Now 15, that's right. Now you can see how many, then you can see 45 plus 15 plus 60. You get the answer. 50% took milk. Is it right or not? 50% took milk. But statement is that no one taking milk takes it. Those who take tea, okay, what is the total people?
60.
60. No one taking milk takes tea. How many of total, okay, what is the total size of the party? 50, like 50, 60, 60, 120. 120. Total you can take 120. This is total number of persons attended the party. Out of them, those who take tea, that you need to read now. 50% took milk means, what does it mean? No one taking milk takes tea. How many people are taking tea?
60.
75. 75. So minus 75. I think again is connected with the milk only. Right, no one taking milk takes those who take tea, they don't take milk. Right, yes, 25 to 45.
Those who don't drink milk, they take tea.
This is okay. No one taking milk is 45, right? And yes, you tell me.
Who do not drink milk, they will not, they will take tea.
See,
Which
no
means
one.
not, who drinks tea, they will not drink milk and all.
Yes, that's what. You got no one taking milk. No one taking milk takes tea.
Yes,
Those.
I am not taking milk,
Yes.
but I will take tea.
Tea.
But if I take tea first, then
Yes.
I can take milk also.
Yes. Then how many will come? Will you derive that thing? Total milk. Sorry. Say that. How to take that is what. Takes tea. Those who do not take milk, they take tea. It means you can take 75, 45 it will come. They are taking milk. All right. But actually is what 50% take milk. We can't derive that answer. One alone will not satisfy. Okay. One alone will not satisfy. Two, a number of persons who attended the party. So number of persons who attended the party is 5 times the number of persons who took milk only. Who took milk only. Then who took milk and how much it take? Like number of persons who attended the party is 5 times the number of persons who take. Total how many people are there? We take 120. Something like it's a lot of confusion you can take. Where is the confusion you can see? Number of persons who attended the party, okay, number of persons who attended the party 120 is 5 times the number of persons who took milk. 5 times milk divided by 5 means how much it will come? 24.
Cannot derive.
No, that one will not, alone will not decide, two alone also will not decide, but both if it club it.
So because they have not given the exact information about milk.
Milk is not given. Yes, that because specific number is not given anywhere. It's like that. Okay.
Because in Venn diagram, milk na achana hakodu, and we can attach it coffee because they are not given restricted for milk with coffee.
That's why you can
so
take.
So we can't direct, sir. Question cannot be answered.
Actually, at least one drink, maybe they take even 2 drinks also. That we can say. At least one means what, 2 also can be taken, 3 also can be taken. That's the one thing. Okay. Okay, we'll keep this question. Still tomorrow I'll tell this is also. I'll put the question mark here. Let us see that. Right, we'll come to that. Right. 22. Consider the following question and statement. There are 5 members A, B, C, D, E in a family. I think it's a family related question. Sir. A, B, C, D in a family. Question, what is the relation of E to B? Okay, all right. A, B, C, D, E in a family. Question, what is the relation of E to B? What is the relation of E to B? From B point of view, what is the relation of E to B? From B point of view, what E becomes. And gender of E must be known here. Okay? Right. Now we can see the clues are given. A and B are a married couple. A and B are married couple. A and B. Married couple. Right. Okay. A and B are married couple. Who is female, who is female, we do not know. That is, gender is not known here. Okay. Are married couple, that's all. D is the father of C. D is the father of C. Again you can write here, D is the father. D is the father of C. You can take.
D.
This is a plus mark. D is the father of C. I think still there is no connection. E is D's son. E is D's son. It means you can take like that. E is son. Sorry. E is D's son. D is D's son. It means this is a plus.
Siblings, E and C.
C, right. Siblings you can take. And A and C are sisters. A and C, now A comes here. So,
A. Negative. A is negative, B is positive.
A and C are sisters.
Negative.
This
A is female.
A and C both are sisters.
B is male.
This is the sisters. Then B becomes what? Male. Okay. And this is the wife of, like that. Okay. Now I think, now what is the question? What is the relation of E? What is the relation of E to B from B? Definitely you can establish the relationship, that is. You can establish a relationship. But, okay, anyway, that genealogy diagram is over now. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above question and statement? Now, we wanted to know this thing. Now, but we have taken all. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are sufficient to answer the question. Statement, there are 4 statements. 1, 2, 3. If 1, 2, 3 is enough, that is, then excluding 4. A and C. A and C.
We can't determine the gender if we exclude the statement 4.
Yeah, because B will not come. If we take only 1 and 2, 3, is asking about B. B is in the last program, this is. It means if we take this statement only, then it is possible. And statement A alone is not possible. Now statements 1, 3 and 4 are sufficient to answer the question? I don't think so. 1, 3, 4, except D. D is the father of C. D is the father of C, then you cannot develop. Okay. And all 4 statements together are sufficient to answer the question? That's right. all 4 statements are not sufficient also. That is what C. Right. That is correct. Yes, all 4 statements are required. But carefully we have to check.
Sir, now E is what is the relation of E to B, sir? Brother-in-law?
Well, it's not asked like that. But see, from statement 1 for B, if you say B means, that's all wife side relatives. That's all. Wife side relatives means what?
Sister side relative.
Yeah, because see like that. All siblings only. E, C, A, all siblings.
So
it means he's a male.
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law, you can take it. Because all siblings only. Right, now we can see. A box contains 14 black balls, 20 blue balls, 20 green balls, 28 yellow balls, 38 red balls and 54 white balls. Consider the following statements. The smallest number of n such that n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color is 175. The smallest number m such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each color is 167. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, right. Now, a box contains 14 black balls. Black 14, okay.
Blue 20.
And blue 20.
Green 26.
Blue 20 and green 26. Green 26. Yellow 28. 38 red balls. 38. Okay. 14, 20, 26 green, 28 yellow, 38 red, and 54 white balls. 54 white balls. These are the balls are there. Now this small question, the smallest number n such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color is 175. At least one color is 170. How do you say that is? What is understood that is? So I am unable to understand. The smallest number n such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color is 175. If you take what is the total, it will come.
Total 4 times 18. 26, 30, 0,
185 this is. If you take total,
sir. 180.
180. This is 180. This is 175. The smallest number n such that any n number of balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color. That is 175.
175 denotes what and
the smallest, see the second statement, the smallest number m so that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each color is 167. That is, what is that is 175 and 167. So what is that? Still I do not understand what exactly is that. The smallest number of n such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group. One full group is okay. All 5 balls can be taken. It means at least one full group of at least one color is 175. I think total 175 should be drawn. Okay, how many types balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But still I do not understand really what this means. The smallest number I do not understand. Do you try to understand anything from this? N balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color. Okay, if you take one color or one group means that there must be 5 balls. Is 175. Okay, all right, right. Okay, that's right. Now you can see it says that is smallest in such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color. One full group. It means one group means you have to take all the 6 at least minimum. There may be 2, there may be 3, there may be 4, there may be 5 also. But there must be one at least. A group is a 175. It means randomly you are picking up that one by one like that. So how many you can take like that? Is this possible or not? That is 175 should happen that. So 175, where do you get 175?
Sir, 180 minus 6, 174. If you take one ball,
yeah,
from all the groups, then
see,
180 minus 6.
you are keep randomly you are picking up the balls. We do not know which group it will come, which color which will come. The maximum.
At least one color we should pick from each group.
Yes.
So let us assume we are taking one ball from each group. So 180 minus 6.
But you take one group means you can take black when you are keeping it. We do not know which color will come.
But we should take at least one from each color group.
Each group that is.
But the minimum possibility.
There are yes, sir. There are totally 180. There are totally 180. If you take any color of your choice, like even lowest also you can take. What is the lowest number here? 14. 14. Lowest number is 14. You are taking all these plus. You don't get black. You don't get black at all. Black you may get lost. Assuming that is. Then how it will come? So 180 minus 14. It means what? 166 plus 1 you can take 167. 175? No, it is not possible. Statement 1 alone will not suffice. Okay. Now let us do the statement 2. Did you get this now? So leaving either says minimum, we can leave the black. You keep on picking up the balls randomly. You don't get black at all. It means how many balls you are taking like this, except 14, all you are 180, total 180 minus 14, 166 you are taking. Then 167 definitely black only will come. 167 black only will come. 168 black will come. 169 black will come. 170 black will come. Like that. That is the thing. The 175 is asking that is 167, 167 balls, but it says 175. Is 175? No, 175 is not correct. 167? Yes, okay. Now let us see the statement 2. The smallest number of m such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each color is 167. 167. 167 this is. One. Okay, now statement 2 qualifies. Statement 2 alone will qualify, but statement 1 again you can check it also. Now you can check statement 1 once again also. Statement 2 qualifies. Statement exclusively qualifies. You have nothing to do with the statement 2. Statement 1 you can say. Statement 1 it says 175. What are the less number of balls you can see here? Only black can be very less. If you see the least number of size balls is like so, okay. It says 175. 167 like 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, all black only will come. All black only. If you look at, you can say yes. You can say yes. That's 175. Yes. Yes, why I am telling you, see, now what is the least number if you excluding black, again I am telling you, see, what is the total balls here? 180. If we excluding black, minus 14, what is the remaining? 166. It means still you did not get the black. Still you did not get the black. To get the block, one more attempt is required. 167 is a black.
Second statement attached, sir.
Second. Now first only you have to try. Because here 175, at least there may be more than one. There may be more than 1, 2, 3 more. It's also possible. No problem. Only thing is you want to 175 attempts. 167. Yes. This is the black. 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175 is all black only. 176 up to 180. It starts from 166 to 175, at least one, okay. At least one means there may be 2, 3 also, but you can say yes, that is. This is.
Sir, if they given 167 also right, 168 also right.
Yes, that's what I am telling. 167, after 167, it is correct.
If they given 166, wrong.
167 is not possible. Assuming that because there are all like shuffling, like randomly you are picking that, one color will not come at all. One color will not come at all. Possibilities. Assuming that is. There are so many balls are here, we do not know which will come. There may be possibility of coming black only in the last moment. We do not know. Even 167, 166 means it is not possible. 166 is not possible. 167 and all, you will keep getting black only. It means it doesn't say only one, at least one. At least means there may be more than one. All possibilities are okay. It means both 1 and 2 qualifies. Option C. Option C, that is.
Sir, which means if you pick the ball from the box,
yes,
it should have a pair of all colors and the first group.
First group means at least there must be one color of each ball. At least one color of each ball. That is one group.
Then we can.
How many attempts are required?
Then we can make 14 groups.
This one, for the black, there are 14 black balls in the box.
Yes, sir. With 14 groups we can make.
Groups you can make. It's not asking groups. But group also, even how do you make? But do you pick that now black is coming, now blue is coming, green? You cannot say that. Randomly you are picking, you do not know, without your knowledge, without your conscience. You do not know which will come. There are 6 colors in the box. There are balls of 6 colors or in the box. Which color it will come? How do you know that? How many attempts are required? But what we have taken here, because black boxes are very less here, 14. So because he's asking 175. Because total balls are 180.
Sir, which means you are assuming by picking left black.
You need to have at least one color of each.
6 colors also came
yes.
black only. Which means it may be white, red, yellow, green.
Anything. You keep getting.
In the box now it's left only black.
Black.
We not got in any attempt.
Yes, sir. If assuming that you don't get any black, you are attempting 166. This is 166 balls you are picking up. At a time you are taking one. 166 attempts you are making. It means 166 balls in your hand. There is totally 180 balls in the box of different colors. 166 outside the box. How many left in the box? Black. I did not get black. Because there must be at least one color of each ball. I am not getting even black. But now there are 14. Next onwards you will get only block only. Next onwards you will continue to get block only. But what is he says that is number of is 175 or 175, but you can say yes. Up to 180 you can say yes. 180 means that is the answer. That will not ask, that is. Okay. So that is we have taken like this. This is very confusing little. Okay, fine. Now statement 2 very clear, that is.
Statement 2 clear.
Is a clear, that is. And now what is the both 1 and 2 qualifies? Option C in the right. Right, now we can see. Consider the following statements. A is older than B, C and D are of the same age. Okay, now we can say like comparison type statements can be written. A is older than B. A is older than B. C and D are of the same age. C and D are of the same age. E is the youngest. E is the, when you take like the greater than, C is the youngest, you can take, how do you take?
Last we can write, sir.
Like, C, what is that is? E.
Last.
E is the youngest.
F is younger.
F is younger than D. F is younger than D, you can reverse it. Like, okay, alright. F is younger than D. Instead you can write D is
Greater than
F. Okay. Write what is that is? 5. I think that is missed out. Yeah. That letter is missed out from the thing. No. Okay. And how many statements given above are required to determine the oldest person? Oldest person. Now we can take A, B, I think D, F we can take. It means you can take C is D greater than F. One letter is missing from that. And a question typing. Even I want to type here. This is
so then all 5 required ಅಂತ conclude ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
But see that is C, D is F, or you can take C and of the same age means you can also write like this. Okay, C and D, both you can take F and
F is
E.
better than E.
Like F is
because he is the youngest.
D is greater than F. E is the youngest. Okay. How many people are there? F there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3. One more person. I think oldest is not. A is older than B. A is older than B. C is the E is the youngest. You can take. A older than B. Where do you write A, B? One more action, that letter is required. So without that letter we cannot write now. So we need that letter. Then only you can link it. Okay. Anyway.
So then all 5 required and
But no. But our mistake that is. It's my mistake. I did not write. No, you have taken correct. Even in my book also it is not there. Right. Now we'll see that. That I'll tell tomorrow itself. I can tell. Consider this. See, that's why. Now at least I can editing job also can be completed now. Consider the following statements. Between 3:16 p.m. and 3:17 p.m. both our hand, and I think this is the clock related problem. Between 3:16 p.m. and 3:17 p.m. Between 3:16 p.m. and 3:17 p.m. the hour hand and minute hand coincide. Between 4:58 and 4:59 both minute hand and second hand coincide. Which of the following is correct? Now we can see it looks simple only. Now at 3:16 and 3:17 you can put a draw like that. 2 like 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So between 316 and 317. 316 means where do you write now? 315 means where do you draw? Okay.
Sir, ಅದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ yeah ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು because see instead of that you can straight away you can so coincide is say just you can say our hand minute hand coincide exactly is not required. Coincide means just it passes through like that we can do no? Yeah 3 o'clock means 3 you put 3:15 means like you can say minute hand also there, but you can say the coincide is one time you can say yes. Okay, this is okay. And between 4:58 and 4:59, between 4:58 this is 12 3 6 9, this is the 4 and 5. What is that is 4:58 means something like close to 5 o'clock. It take off. Okay, 5 o'clock. And between 4:58 what is that say both are tamed like that coincides. So it
Second
is,
correct, sir.
how
Second hand ಕೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. Second hand.
both minute hand and
Second hand.
second hand. In the first minute hour hand and minute hand is a second hand means naturally it will coincide, that is okay. So it means this is second hand and minute hand, this is you can say minute hand coincide. This is also correct.
First statement.
This is correct. Coincides means no? 3:15 means where do you write 3:15? How do you show? This is the 12.
17.
This is the 12:6. This is the 9 1 2 4 5. 3:15. How do you write? 3:15 means our hand somewhere it will be here only. No? 15 means this minute hand will come like this. No? Coincide. No? Will it coincide or not? No, see, this is our hand is
Minute hand
there.
will also be move, sir.
This is our hand. Degrees is not asking here.
Okay, na? ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು.
No, see, this is 3 o'clock or not?
sir.
Okay. And see, this our hand will, this 3:15 means what? This minute hand will, like this comes or not? Coincide or not? Will minute hand passes through that
Yes, sir.
our
Minute hand
hand?
will pass us to the our hand. But at 3:15 or 3:30 that particular.
But degree 15 is what? 16 is what? This is the 15. 16 means what? Again it will come. 17, 18. Our hand will be somewhere like this only. It keep on rotating. No? Whether minute hand passes through this our hand or not. Coincide means what? Meeting together. That's all. That's what that is okay. No degrees asked. Degrees is not asked. Only thing is passes or not. Both 1 and 2 will qualify. Both C. Right. Option C is right. Yes. Yes. Next. Let ABC represent distinct non-zero digits. Suppose X is the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers formed by ABC without repetition. Consider the following statements. ABC represents distinct non-zero digits. Okay. Suppose X is the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers formed by ABC without repetition. Consider the following statement. The 4-digit least value X. Okay. Now you can do what do you say now? We have done a lot of questions like this, no? Non-distinct 3 digits. It's not 0 cannot be taken. All 3 different digits, but there no repetition. The 4-digit least value of X. X is the sum of all the 4-digit numbers. This is the sum. What will happen? 3-digit numbers means what? Whether we have to put up the total and see now. Yeah, that's all. There is no other go for that. What are they? Like you can take 1, like 2, 3. No repetition of the digits. and we can take 1. So what are the numbers can be written here? You have tried the numbers. Non-zero digit, suppose x is the sum of all the possible 3-digit numbers. Possible 3-digit number formed by ABC without repetition. Consider the following statement. 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is 1. What is the total you can see now? And what is the question is, you can take even 7, 8, 9 also, no? 7, 8, 9 also can be taken, this lot. But what's the question? Sum of all the possible 3 the form ABC without repeating. Consider the following statement. Okay, first let us see small number. Okay, this takes to 1332 is there. We can take these numbers. Thousand 332, that's right. Yes, now where is the doubt, you tell me now. Here, what is the 4-digit least value? This is the least value. If you take the 1, 2, 3 digits, you will get the least value. If you take, for example, 7, 8, you will get the maximum value. It says least value.
All the possible 3-digit
Numbers. This is the sum. This is a 4-digit number. If you take 7, 8, 9, the value will go up. That's why least, it says that is least value. Least value means first 3 numbers can be taken. 1, 2, 3. If you take 2, 3, 4, it will go up. If you take 3, 4, 5, again it will go up. If you take 7, 8, 9, very big number, maximum possible value. Maybe that may be a 6-digit number also, or 5-digit number also, like that. Okay, this is correct. Again, the 3-digit greatest value of x is 88. How it is possible? It is not at all
Sir,
possible.
we should check now, sir. We should calculate the bigger numbers like 3 to 1 plus 3, 1, 2 plus 2, 3, 1.
3-digit greatest value of x is 888. How it is possible? See, 4 digit self is okay. This is happening 4 digit. Where do you get the 3-digit?
By subtracting.
See, 3-digit, where do you, there is no possibility at all, no? This is the, how many digits number this is?
4 digits.
Then it is possible for 3 digits? Seeing that conditions given in the question.
No, sir.
I have taken least possible numbers, you get the 4 digits number. He is asking this is for 3-digit number.
It is only least.
This itself is the least. Less than this is not possible. So by saying this is correct. Incorrect that is. It means what? Only one follows. Only one follows. Right, next. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the positions of the digits is 54 again. So 54 means difference between the digits is 6. Okay. 54 by 9, 6. Difference between the digits is 6. It means if you take 9, 9, 3 and 8, 2, 7, 1, like that is possible. Now what is the thing? The sum of the 2 digits of the number can be determined only if the product of the 2 digits is known. Because if we keep writing, there are 3 numbers are possible. The sum of the 2 digits of the number, can be determined. Sum of the two numbers what? 9 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 7 plus 1. Okay. can be determined only if the product of the two digits is known. Which one can, sum of the, you need to know the sum of the two digits. How do you say 12 is also possible, 10 is possible, 8 is possible? Even if you take other numbers all also, for example, say 39, 93, this also can be written 99. Then of course, this comes again is a 12, it's like that. Only if the product of the two digits is known. If the product of the two digits is what? This 9 into 3, 27. For this one, 8 into 2, 16. 7 into 1, 7. Yes. That's okay. But what is that? It is a statement 1 correct or not? It's not correct.
So, if the product is known, how will you get to know the sum of the digits?
Then how do you determine till now? The sum of the two digits of the number can be determined. Can you determine sum of the digits of the two digit number based on that condition? How? Tell me. There are 3 numbers are possible. No? Which number you take? If you take 93, this is 12, 82, 8 plus 2, 10, 7 plus 1, 8. You can't determine. No? Which number do you take? Then only if the product of the digits is given, you can determine. Product of the digits is given.
9 3s is also 27.
Huh?
9 3s are 27. 3 9s also 27.
Yes.
Then which number you should take, sir? 93 or
okay.
39?
See, 9 into 3, okay, or 3 into 9. Now for this one, 8 into 2 or 2 into 8. Yes. Okay. 1 alone will not satisfy. Right? 1 alone will not satisfy. 1 alone will satisfy. Next, come to the 2. Because what is this in part only if you have to see that. Now the difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. The difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. Is it correct? The difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. Even that also is not possible. No? The difference between the can be determined.
Which means 9 minus 3
see, statement 2 alone I am talking. Already we know 54 means the difference between the two digits. Difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. Number can be determined what? We can take 93 also can be, difference is 6. Even if we take 39 also can be 6 only.
Minus 6.
Minus 6 okay, it becomes, still you can say that is.
82 also 6 sir.
Yeah, that's why I am telling. And see, like if you take both, because both 1 and 2 is there, na? If both 1 and 2 is possible,
no,
statement 1 alone will not answer the question, statement 2 alone will not suffice. Both statements together, both 1 and 2 together. Do you see that is?
Both the if they say the difference is 6, product is 27. Because the difference 6 can be obtained.
Both statements, which are the statement? Right, okay. Two-digit amount obtained by interchanging the position of the digits is 54. Whether increasing order, decreasing is order is not given. Sum of the two digits of the number can be determined only if the product of the two digits is known. Okay. And the difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. Astena? Okay. If you take 1 and 2 both, you have to take that is. What we can take 93, right, and minus 39. What is the difference? 54. Okay. If you take statement 2, difference between the two digits is what? 6. If you take 6 here, 60 minus 0, 6, is become 54, but this it will not come. Is a what I say that is.
Sir, now the original number is 45, sir.
Original number is not 45.
Sir, interchange ಮಾಡಿದ 54 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, see the 54 ಅಂದರೆ 54 ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ how many nines are there? 6 nines are there. Difference must difference ಈಗ 93 minus 39 54. What is the difference between the two digits? What is the difference between a 9 and 3? 6. Now, then you can see, okay, if we take like that, what will happen? Product of the digits is there given 9, 27. This is also 27, is okay. But if we take both 1 and 2 are required, you will get the answer. If you take lesser number 39, the minus value will come.
Sir, only the difference can be calculated.
Difference already is given there.
6 and the
Difference already is given. Difference is already given, 54.
So statement is correct. Difference of the number can be determined. But one agala. Only 2.
1 No, 1 without 1. Say statement 1 alone is not sufficient.
Sir, but
statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2.
The difference between the
Yeah, because he can take 93. See, if statement 2 takes between the two digits of the number can be determined, what are the numbers can be written like that? 82 can be written, minus 39, like 28, like 71.
What will be the numbers? The difference is 6 only now.
But can you determine the number, two-digit number? Difference is 6 between the digits of the number. But can you determine what is that number?
So, determine the number. They are asking you whether we can determine the difference.
Okay, all right, read that question. Say, the difference between a two-digit number, okay, and the number obtained interchanging the position of the digits is 54.
And they never asked to find the number.
Which of the above statement is correct? That's all is asked. That is.
If they ask to find the number, then statement 2 is wrong. They are not asking which is the number. Just they are saying the difference between the two digits number can be determined. Yes, we can determine because 54 in the new level, sir.
Okay.
X minus y is
all right, this is given here.
Then
this is given. 54, okay, all right. 93 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 82 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 71 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವಾಗ 60 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 54, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತನಾ? ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೇನೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ರೈಟ್. Right.
So whatever be the number, the difference is 6. So we can determine the difference. So statement 2 is correct. And the number.
No. See, if we see
if they ask to determine the number, then statement 2 cannot only.
Difference is 54, very clear.
By that only we can come to conclusion.
No, I'll say the difference is 54. Because we know that is because the 54 is the difference between the numbers like that, it is the difference between the digits is 6. But here the difference between the two digits of the number can be determined means how difference between the two digits, how do you determine that is?
Sir, we determine 6 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿ determine ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
Which one? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 54 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We do not know that.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 54
ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, by seeing the question, first we not seeing the statements only. Just we seeing the question. By seeing the question only we came to know the difference is 6. Again, sir, okay, the difference can be determined or not. Yes, we can determine ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
Sir, first
statement 1 or 2?
2, sir.
Statement 2. Okay, ಈಗ difference between the digits of the number can be determined.
Sir, first let's just read the question.
Okay.
from that question we came to the conclusion.
Okay.
Difference is 6.
Yes.
They are also asking, can we determine the difference between the digits? Yes, we can determine by seeing the question only. Running statement to correct.
ಈಗ 54 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? 6 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಬಟ್
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ 54 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಈಗ 10x + y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x - y
ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೆನ್ ಸಿ ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್
ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ 9 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್.
ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. 10x + y ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಓಕೆನಾ ಸರ್? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಮೈನಸ್ like 10y plus x
equals to 54.
Equals to 54. Otherwise we write like this. Okay, right. Now we can say 10x plus y idu okay, and minus into plus minus 10y plus minus x is equals to 54. I think now we can say 10y minus y minus x is means what? 9x minus 9y, correct? Is equals to 54.
X minus y
and 9 is equals to x minus y. Is what?
54.
54.
X minus y equals to 54. Sorry, x minus y equals to 6.
Now we can take like x minus y is equals to 54 by 9. It means 6. X minus y is equals to 6. Like that. What are the numbers are possible for like that?
Hello sir, we came to know the difference. Like the number
X minus y is 6.
Number yavrali
difference between the digits is 6.
So
Statement 2. What are the numbers possible for? Every number is possible.
Let it be sir.
93
72.
like 9 minus 3 6 72 80 7 minus 1 6 8 minus
82.
no, sorry, 93 is possible, 82 is possible, 70. The three numbers will come. But how do we determine like that?
Hello sir, there sir ಅವರು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Can we determine the difference? Yes, we can determine the difference.
The difference between the two digits, okay.
Can we determine?
The difference between the two digits, okay, two digits of the number can be determined.
Yes, we can determine. The difference is 6 and that we can
The difference between the two digits of the number can be determined. Okay, that's right. Okay, the very valid argument that is. Okay. Okay, this is okay, huh? Yes. And what about the one? Avaga, this is not sum of the two digits of the number can be sum of the two numbers can be determined only if the product of the two digits is known. Then I think you have to check that. This is okay. Now for if sum of the two digits of the number can be determined only if the product of the two digits is known. Only if the product of the two digits is known. Again, what are the numbers can be? You can take sum of the two digits.
Sorry,
of the
given product
is now sum of the two digits, because there are many numbers it will come, 12 or 10 or 8 it will come. Them known only if the product of the two digits is known. Yes, that is also correct then. Why? Because is that
they given 27 as the product.
Yes. Right. Sum of the product is, see, sum of the digits of the number is, sum of the digits is what?
Sir, better sir, first ingredient number.
Only same numbers.
Product is given as 27.
Yes.
Then
27 means you can take 9 into 3 or 3 into 9. Okay. Because two digits, no, we are taking. That is, if you take like that, then 3 into 9, but the product of the numbers is known, no? Same, no? Whether you multiplied by 9 and 3 and 3 into 9, both are same. No? Only is asking for sum of the two numbers. Sorry, sum of the two digits. Whether you take 9 plus 3 is 12, this is also 9, 3 plus 9 is 12. So see that sum of the digits of the number can be determined only if the product of the two digits is known. Sum of the two numbers, many numbers will come, it is not possible. Product of the numbers, if for example, you can, for this one, you can take 8 into 2 or 2 into 8, whatever it may be. This one, 7 into 1 or 1 into 7. Product of the numbers is given, yes, fine. No, it will, but then more numbers will come. More than 1 number is possible.
7 plus 1, 8.
7 plus 1, 8. The product of the number is given. The product of the numbers is 7.
So, product kottare matra sum kandidiboda anta okay.
That's what. Ade same.
Product kottinaga kandidiyakagalla.
Illa. You will have more possible because there are, you are writing 3 numbers, no? Even like that. That is not. The product of the number is given, then sum of the digits can be determined. Sum of the digits can be determined subject to be knowing the product of the numbers. That's the thing. It means 1 is also correct. Now what will happen here? Both 1 and 2 is correct. If you say what is the sum of the digits of the number, means you cannot say. Even the difference is given. Difference is given also, you cannot say that is. Because these 3 numbers are possible. No? Even for this also we have checked it. No? Right. Yes. What's the next one you can take? Two statements, statement 1 and statement 2 are given below with regard to the 2 numbers followed by questions. Statement 2 are followed by question. What is the question? What are the 2 numbers? But statements are what? Their product is 21, their sum is 10. I think same time again, but it's reverse way. Their product is 21. 2 statements are given with regard to the 2 numbers followed by a question. What is the question here? Question is, what are the 2 numbers? What are the 2 numbers? It means statement their product is 21. Their product is 21 means what do you write? Even you can write 1 into 21 or 3 into 7. Their sum is 10. If you take sum 1 and 21, 1 plus 21 like 22, 3 plus 7 is 10. Now we have 10. Now we can take.
Both statements are required.
Both statements are required, no? Because this is also required, sum is also required. Both statements are required. So both put together are required. And both. And see what is option? S1 and S2 together are sufficient to answer the question. Neither 1 alone nor 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Option C. Yeah, the same question, no? Right, you can take. Yes, next one you can take. Priya is 4 ranks below Seema and 31 ranks from bottom. Okay. Right. Now what is that thing? Consider the statement and the question. Statement 1, statement 2. There are 2 statements. What is Seema's rank? From the top in the class of 40 students. What is Seema's rank? Total size of the class is what? 40. What is CMAS rank? CMAS rank. Right. Statement. Priya is 4 ranks below CMA. Priya is 4 ranks below CMA and 31st from the bottom. Statement 1. Priya is 4 ranks below CMA. This is CMA. Priya is 4 ranks below CMA. And 31st from Priya is 4 ranks below CMA. And means who should be taken?
Priya.
And 31st from the bottom.
30 people.
31st means 30. What is the size of the total class? How many people are coming here? What is the total size? 40. 30, 31, 34, 35, 5 will come. So you can determine, no? CMAS rank can be determined. CMAS rank can be determined. Right. INA is 2 ranks above CMA. INA is 2 ranks above CMA. INA. Right. Okay. CMA. And 37 from the bottom. Who is 37? INA. 37th from the bottom. 37 means you take 37, 1 plus 1.
34.
34. Okay. You can determine total 40 means it will come. I think statement 2 also will satisfy that condition. It means.
What is CMAS rank from the?
Yes. Which are the options now? A, B, C, D.
1 alone is sufficient.
Statement 1 alone sufficient to answer. Statement 1 alone, only one. Statement 2 will not allow.
So 1 indane ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, yes. What about statement 2? Alone is not sufficient. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Right. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Not is there. Now either statement 1 or 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. I think that
Yes,
is
sir.
okay.
Any statement?
Both statements are no, it's not necessary. Option C. Because not is there. Right. Now we can see. Yes, now we can see. Now we can see 2 statements S1 and S2 are given below with regard to the 4 members P, Q, R and S followed by a question. 2 are given below with regard to the 4 members, 4 numbers P, Q, R and S followed by a question. R is greater than P as well as Q. R is greater than P as well as Q. R is greater than P as well as Q. We write like that. But actually there are 4 people. What is the question you can take? Question is there. This is the question. Among 4 members P, Q, R and S, which one is the largest? 4 numbers, which one is the largest? That's the question. See, they did not put question on top of it. They put question in the middle of it. See the confusion, intention, that is all. Okay, question you can take. Among the 4 members, P, Q, R and S, which one is the largest number? But here there are only 3 numbers. We do not know that is. Okay, one more is. By seeing that 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. 1 alone is not, 1 alone is sufficient. No. Be careful. And see now, statement 2, S is not the largest. What about another 3? We do not. It means you have to see both now. Now S is not the largest. S is not the largest means S you cannot write here. S you can write here. But still, where do you write yes?
P, Q, Sir, they are asking just who is the largest.
Who is the largest?
Who is the largest?
R is the largest. You can
Let the places of P to S be younger only.
But S is not the largest, definitely S will not come to the left of R.
We can easily say R is the largest.
What is the question? Who is the largest? Which is the largest then? R is the largest. So, okay. But both statements are. And S1 and S together are sufficient to answer the question. That is the thing. But these statements you have to read very carefully. Together. Right, next. And yes, next. Two statements, S1, S2 are given below or followed by a question. Right. And see what is the question you can take. Are there more than 100 figures in that book? Are there more than 100 figures? 100 figures idya, more than 100 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು question.
Statement 1.
There are not more than 2 figures on any page of 51 page book. There are not more than 2. There are number of pages is what? 51 page.
Max is 2.
There are not more than 2 on any page of 51 page. Not more than 2 means what?
Max 2 is there.
Maximum
2 alone.
2. Maximum 2 alone. Maximum it may be 1, maybe 2 also. What about is more than 100 is it? Not more than 2 on any page. More than 2 means maybe 2, maybe 1 also. 3 is not there. There are 2, there are 1. But we do not know how many pages there are 1, how many pages there are 2. Are you clear now? Okay. And see that it means right. Which question I am saying that?
Statement 2, sir.
More than 1 figures. You can see. Right. Because if you take statement 1, what happens now? That not more than 2 means there are 2, there are 1 also. But how many 1, how many 2, we do not know. So I think 1 alone will not suffice the question.
Yes,
so we can't say that. Statement 2, there is at least 1 figure on every page. At least 1 means 1 or 2. 1 or 2. We do not know, still we don't know. There are 50 pages. If there is take 1 means 51 will come. At least 1 means there is 1 and 2 also. We do not know
So
that.
more than 100 figures possible.
How? For statement 2.
Alla sir, ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ.
ಎರಡು. If you look at both.
By looking both, we can say that there might be figures more than 100.
Even if you take 2, 1 alone is not suffice. 2 alone will not suffice the question. And see the both taking if you take both the statements together, there are not more than 2 figures on any page. Maybe 1, maybe 2. We do not know how many 1, how many 2. At least 1 means 1 means there are 2 also. But still, even if you take both also, is not sufficient to answer the question.
Both are sufficient.
How?
Sir, they are in statement 1, they are giving information, there are 51 pages book. Okay, na sir?
Yes.
Statement 2 is giving there is at least. Let us say there is 2 figures in every 51 pages.
For statement?
From statement 2.
Statement 2, at least 1 means there is 1 also.
No sir, you should let us say maximum.
No, you cannot take maximum. At least 1 means that's a very minimum. At least every page there is 1.
Sir, 2
we do not know how many 2 are there. There may be. We do, then it is possible.
Sir, possible.
But at least 1 means there, how many 1 is there, how many 2s are there?
Sir, I am asking.
It means, see, if,
pages book,
yes.
There are 2 images in 1 pages.
There are 2 is not given.
Allah sir,
Yes.
There
Yes.
are 2 pages.
Yes.
There are 2 images in 1 page. 51 pages, sir.
Yes.
Can I say there is at least 1 picture in each page?
At least 1 picture in each page. Definitely no page is blank. If you say at least 1 picture in each page means at least there is no page is blank. Every page is filled with a
every
picture.
Page can be 2
1.
images also.
There may be 2, there may be 1.
Sir, can every pages can be 2 also?
No, you cannot say that. There may be some pages too, but every page you cannot say.
then I can't say at least 2 pages, at least 1 pages in a book. If there is 2 pages in a book, 2 images in a book.
No, you cannot say.
Then I should say every page contains 2 images.
Yes, yes. Every page there are 2 images and every page means then you can take.
At least means there might
At
be
least means that is the bare minimum balance.
1 page.
1.
In 1 page it will be 1, another page 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 also. Even maybe 2, 2, 2, 2 also.
At least 1 page should
Even first page also it may be 2 also.
There.
Yeah.
2, 1, 1, 2 like.
Yes.
One image is one.
Either
page
1 or 2. Yes.
1 page is one image is 1 page is related.
Yes, definitely yes.
Out of 50, out of 51, like 50 pages be 2 images.
Yes.
If 51 page is also having 1.
At least 1 means 51 pages means there are 51 images minimum. It is there. More than 51, we do not know how many are there. At least in every page means 1. 51 pages book means there are 51 images. 51 images definitely it is there. No dispute there.
Then,
but 1 or 2 it comes, more than 100 comes or not, we do not. Even there may be a 25 pages, there are 2. So 51 plus 25, we cannot determine that is. Options. 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. This is the thing. Okay, right. So like now I think this is related calendar, no? Yes. Consider 2 statements and a question. Statement 1. The last day of the month is a Wednesday. That's all. Consider. What is the question? What day is the 14th of the given month? What day is the 14th of the given month? 14th of the month is what day? Statement 1. The last day of the month is a Wednesday. Can you determine? Question what day of the 14th of the given month? 14th of the month is what is the day? 14th of the month.
Last day of the
14th of the month. Of month is what is the day? Is a question mark. Right. State the last day of the month is Wednesday. Can you determine? No. Why? Number of days of the month is not
28 or 39.
We don't know. We don't know that is. So you cannot determine. Right. Next. Statement 2. The third Saturday of the month was the 17th day. What is the month? Is equal 14th of the month. Statement 2 says the third Saturday of the month was the 17th day.
Then
we can determine. 17th day. You have to come back. 16, 15, minus 3. You can tell. Saturday is there. Minus 3. You can determine. So definitely yes.
Statement 2 alone.
Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the questions. That is something. Right. Next. Consider 2 statements and a question. Now you see the question. What is the question? Who is the heaviest among A, B, C, D, E? A, B, C, D, E. Who is the heaviest among A, B, C, D, E? Statement 1. Each of A and D is heavier. Each of A and D is heavier than each of B and E and F.
So A is heavier than B, E, F.
Each of A and D is heavier than each of B, E, F. A and D are heavier than the B, E, F. Okay? Right.
But
who is the heaviest? That is the thing. Yes, next. What is the next one?
A is heavier than D.
Now we can see each of A and D is heavier than the each of A and C. And statement 2, A is heavier than D but is lighter than C. Who is heaviest among A, B, C, D? That's our question. Now we can take it.
C.
Do you get the answer? No, each of A and D is heavier than the each of B, E and F. Statement 1 says what?
Sir,
does the statement
A or D is greater than or E or F?
A
or D is greater than E, B or E or F?
B
or B
or
and E or and
B, E and F. Okay?
Okay, sir.
A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C is not there.
C is saying statement. So statement 1 cannot determine.
Statement 1 cannot determine.
Sir. By only statement 1 cannot determine who is heaviest.
A, B, C and E. A, B, C has not come. D, E, okay. F again C. A, B, C, D, but C has not come. Then F is there. Right.
Now A is heavier than D and K.
Statement 1 alone is not sufficient.
Both statement 1 and 2 are required to answer.
1 alone is sufficient to answer statement 2. A is heavier than statement 2. If you say the statement 2, what happens? A is heavier than D. A is heavier than D, but lighter than C. A is lighter than C. I'll write that. Lighter than C, we write like that.
So C is greater than A.
C is greater than A. It means both you can put C is greater than A, greater than D. Okay. That's all. No? Statement 2 says what like that. About another two people we don't know. Statement, if we take statement 2 alone, statement 1 alone is also not sufficient. No?
If we take 1 and 2 we can.
But both you can take A, D. Okay. Now A, D is a clear information. B, E, F. B, E, F.
So D is greater than B, E, F.
D is greater than B, E, F. Is greater than B or E or F we can write.
So we can solve the question who is the heaviest.
It means both are required. No? Both are options.
Both statement 1 and 2 are required.
Yeah. So that is right. Right. That is next. Yes, next one. In a school, so what is in a school, 60% students play cricket. A student who does not play cricket plays football. Every football player has got a two-wheeler. Which of the following conclusions cannot be drawn from the above data? In a school, 60% to play cricket. So let us take 60%. Venn diagram we can take, even if you take Venn diagram. Play cricket. This is the cricket. It means 60% we will write here. A student who does not play cricket plays football.
40%.
One more you can take, football. And it means football is what? 40. Okay. Every football player has got a two-wheeler. Which of the following conclusions? Right. Statements are there. What is the question actually that? Yeah. Right. Now you can see 60% of the students do not have two-wheeler. 60% of the students do not have two-wheeler. Yes. Okay. There are 100 people means people you can take only two-wheelers people. We can write. No cricket. Question is what? Which of the following cannot be drawn from the above? Like every football player has got a two-wheeler. Every football player has got a two-wheeler. 40% of the people got football player, that we can say. Two-wheelers. No cricketer has a two-wheeler, and cricketer players do not play. Okay. Statement 1 is X or not? See, what is that? It says that is every football player has got a two-wheeler. 60% play cricket, 40% play football. Every football player got a two-wheeler. It means 40% of the students got a two-wheeler. Students do not have, yes, 40%, 60% do not have a two-wheeler. This right?
Sir, ಇವಾಗ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Not necessary. I'll tell you. See, the total is 100 I have taken. Total is 100. Okay. And see, a student does not play cricket, plays football. That's all is there. Who plays cricket do not play football. They play either football or cricket.
Doesn't play cricket, plays football.
That's what I'm telling you.
Who plays cricket can play football.
How many people are playing cricket?
60.
60. Then football?
Football.
Who doesn't play cricket, they play football. No confusion information. Even clubbed also is not required. 60% play cricket, 40% play football. A student who does not play cricket plays football. Like that. Finish. Every football player has got a two-wheeler. Everybody has got a two-wheeler. With the two-wheeler. Two-wheeler. In the question itself. Conclusion cannot be drawn. So that's what. 60% of students do not have two-wheelers. Yes.
Cannot be drawn.
Cannot be drawn. That's what. So 60% students do not have two-wheelers. Say yes or no. Correct?
No.
Now select the correct answer using the codes given below.
Yes, sir. Conclusion cannot be drawn.
But can you draw?
60% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
No, see, I'll tell you, 60% students do not have two-wheelers. Total students are how many?
Sir, ಇದು ಬೆನ್ನೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, all right. Yes.
Sir, cricket circle, football circle.
The statement which cannot be drawn only you have to say.
One is correct.
This is cricket. This is football. Okay? Cricket also how many?
60%.
60. 60. Football?
40.
40. Yes, over. Yes. What's next? But combined is not possible. There is no.
Possible.
Hey.
Who plays cricket can play football also. If they are saying who plays football will not play cricket.
Okay.
But the student who plays cricket can play football also, sir.
No, sorry.
There is no condition for that.
See, student who does not play cricket plays football. Those who do not play cricket play football.
That is.
It means yes.
But they did not say who plays cricket will not play football.
Okay, all right. Even for sake of argument, you can keep also. How many people will play? We don't know.
Don't know, sir.
That's why. So we cannot be determined. Okay.
Sir, how many people play? We can 100. But how many exactly will play cricket? We can't determine.
You can't determine. That's why numbers cannot be determined here.
So statement one is correct, sir.
Statement. That's what I mean. Statement is correct. Yes, that's what.
Cannot be drawn that 60% student will not.
Which students we cannot say that is right.
So no cricketer.
No cricketer has a two-wheeler.
Correct.
Because talks about only football player, that is. Okay. Right. Cricket players do not play football.
Wrong. No, that's correct, sir.
That's why. Questions are asked in a negative format.
Sir.
That's
not be drawn.
Yes. It
So,
means
1, 2, 3.
all three. Problem is that question is asked in a negative form.
Intersections if ಬಂದರೇನೆ then we can answer.
Yes.
Intersection ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
we do not know.
We cannot answer.
We do not know. Numbers cannot be determined. Okay. Yes.
So intersection ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
The problem is that this question is in the negative form. Normally we look at the positive form there. Yes, next. Consider all three digits without repetition of digit obtained using three non-zero which are multiples. I think we have done it already. This okay. I think this is something different, no? Yes, different question this is. Anyway, because statements type, no? So I think, see, non-zero digits, 3 non-zero digits.
Multiples of 3.
Multiples of 3. Let S be their sum. Let S be their sum. S is always divisible by 74. We do not know. We have to check again. Consider all 3 digit numbers obtained using 3 non-zero digits which are multiples of 3. Which are multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9. That's all. 3 digits can be. I think very easy one. Now we can take what are the numbers. 3, 6, 9. 3, 9, 6 can be written. Okay. And if you start with a 6, 6, 3, 9. 6, 9, 3. 9, 3, 6. 9, 6, 3. S be their sum. This is equal to S. Now we can take 24, 27, 30, 36, 12, 21, 24, 33, 39. Okay. Okay, this is the S2. Divisible by 74. 3996 divisible by 74 means you can take 2 into 37 also you can be taken, or you can take directly, you can divide the number otherwise. That is much easier. 74.
So sum of the 3 plus 6 plus 9.
Some of the digits, that is. So 70, I think 4 times is what? 300. 5 times you can take 5. 5 4s are 20. 37. 37 like that. 4 4s are 16. Yes. Divisible by 74. Right. S is always divisible by 9.
Yes, sir.
Sum of the digits. Like 9 9 okay 3 9. Yes.
18.
It means both 1 and 2 of values. Like that. What is the right? Next. 2 statements are given followed by 2 conclusions. Now, all numbers are divisible by 2, all numbers are divisible by 3. It means all numbers are divisible by 6. Multiples of 6 you have to take.
Correct.
Question is what?
One is conclusions. All numbers are divisible by 6. Yes.
All numbers are. See, all numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. It means all numbers are divisible by 6. When every number is divisible by 2, every number is divisible by 3 is multiples of 6 only. If a number is to be divisible by 2 as well as 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. What are the numbers are possible?
Full stop. All numbers are divisible by 2.
All numbers are divisible by 3.
Full stop 4 by 2 divisible by 2.
All right, you take whatever you want to take. All divisible by 2 means you can take 2, 4, 6, 8. But one more statement continues.
Full stop comma.
Let it be, okay, because that caps letter is then. Doesn't matter. All numbers are divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. This is. There are 2 statements actually. This statement separate you can take. This you can take. There's 2 tests. Now we can see all numbers are divisible by 6. When that all numbers are divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3, all numbers are divisible by 6. This qualifies. All numbers are divisible by no. Now only one follows. Yes.
Sir, I'm going to separate statement, sir.
Yavadu?
All numbers are divisible by 2, all numbers are...
It is like this only. Maybe there may be error like some comma or something like that. But actually this is the caps is there. Separate is there. But I don't know whether it's from the part of...
All numbers divisible by 2, one statement.
All right.
All numbers divisible by 3, second statement.
Okay. Right. All right. Leave it. But which statements are correct? Conclusion.
Both are correct.
Conclusions. conclusions is which conclusion is correct? 1 and 2.
Both are correct.
Huh?
Neither conclusion 1 or 2. So because from first statement, all numbers, let us take the number 4.
See, all numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. What will
Same
happen?
number ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ sir?
All means same only. Everything it will qualify, no? So all numbers are there. So what are the divisible? All numbers means what? You write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Something it will keep writing. All numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers divisible by 2. What are those numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. All numbers are divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so 18. What will happen? So all numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. What are the common numbers then? What are the common numbers for this? 6 is there. 12 is there. It means 2 and 3. So 2 ones are 3. Like 3 ones are 3. 2 into 3, 6. All numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. It means all numbers are divisible by 6. There is no confusion at all. This is correct. But by 4 it is not possible. Only conclusion 1.
Sir, now we common 12.
Multiples of 6. Take 16 you cannot take. 6. Okay, you write what are the numbers? 2. Sorry. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6, 12, 18, 24.
That one 6 okay sir. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು 6 12 ಅಂತ.
Yes.
Like that same common if you take like 12.
See, all numbers are divisible by 6 or not?
Sir.
But all numbers are divisible by 4 is possible?
ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್ 12 16
all numbers are divisible by 6 means what are those numbers? See, like that if you have to write very detailed thing you have to write. No. See, that is not right. See, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let us stop here. What are the all numbers are divisible by 2? What are the numbers can be taken? Divisible by 2?
2, 4, 6,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What all numbers are divisible by 3? What are the numbers can be taken?
3, 6.
Now 3. Which are the 3? But 3. But if you take 3, that is not divisible by 2. If you take 3, like 3 if you take 6, right, see that. And 9 and 12. Now, see what is the double tick is what? 6 and 12. 6 to 12. 6 to 12, multiples of 6 it will come. But is this number divisible by 4? Limit. So only conclusion 1 follows. Yes, next. Right, I think lot of space is worked. 37. This over?
Next.
Right. Two statements S1, S2 are given below followed by a question. Question. What is that question? Let us see that. If n is a unique natural number between 10 and 20. That's right. First now, see what we learnt now. First immediately we are looking at the question. What the question is. That's what. N is a unique natural number. N is a unique natural number between 10 and 20. Anyway, let us see. And n is a prime number. What are the prime numbers between 10 and 20?
13.
11 also is possible.
11.
11, 13, 17, 19. But if you take unique, you will not get. There are 4 numbers are possible. Take statement 2. N leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 4.
17 by 4.
Because between 10 and 20 we have written here.
13 by 4.
Statement 1 will not suffice. Is sufficient enough. Statement 2 leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. This is remainder is what? 3. This is remainders. 3 and this is 1 and this is 1. This is 3.
2 also not sufficient.
Yes. Both if we take.
Both also not sufficient.
Both if we take, what will happen? Both are even not sufficient. And statement 1, 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. That is okay. Yes, sir. And now we can see. Right. A watch loses 2 minutes in every 24 hours, while another watch gains 2 minutes in every 24 hours at a particular instant. The 2 watches showed on identical time. Which of the following statement is correct? 24-hour clock is followed. Yes, but do you try to solve this? Do you know anything about the time clock? Okay, keep it aside, that we will see that. A clock related problem lock is there, then we can check that. Yes. Right, other numbers we can finish it. 39. We'll see 38 later. Yes, come to the 39. There are 4 letters and 4 envelopes. 4 letters are there. Number of letters, envelopes, envelope there are 4, right? Exactly 1 letter is to be put in exactly 1 envelope. There are 4 letters are there are 4 envelopes are there, but condition is that there must be 1 letter goes to 1 envelope. Fine. 4 letters will go to the 4 envelopes, right? Envelope with the correct address. That's right. Correct address. If the letters are randomly inserted into the envelopes, randomly, then consider the following statements. Which are correct address is not known, but it has to go to the correct address. A has to go to a certain address, B has to go to the certain address. Okay, fine. Randomly picking and putting. Now we can see it is possible that exactly 1 letter goes into an incorrect envelope. It means what is that? It is possible that exactly 1 letter goes into an incorrect envelope. Possible. What talking about possible? It is possible that exactly 1 letter goes into an incorrect. 1 letter goes to the incorrect envelope.
All remaining 3 goes to the correct envelope. 1 goes to.
Is it possible like that?
It's over correct.
Yeah, see like that. See. So now you can say, let us name that letters are A, B, C, D.
Destination E, F, G.
Envelopes you can take
E, F, G.
P, that's very close to that. P, Q, R, S. Okay. A is supposed to go to P. A is supposed to go to P, but A goes to Q. Then whichever letter comes to Q, it goes to another envelope.
2 envelopes.
2 possible. If it is 1 error, cannot be same. There are 2. Yes, sir. Yes. So it's like that.
There are only 6 ways.
Yes. There are only, 1 is it's not possible. If one cannot go incorrect, if there will be 2 incorrect. Okay. And 2, there are only 6 ways in which the only letters can go into the correct envelopes. Right. There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into the correct envelopes. Now, okay, one is leave it one. Right. There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into the correct envelopes. 2 letters can go. I think this is correct one. No? There are only 6. Okay, 6 ways is asking. There are only 6 ways in which 2 letters can go into the correct envelope. What do you say that is? It's like a puzzle type, no?
Sir, one way is this one.
How?
And then letter to jumble then 2 letters will go to the correct envelope.
There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into the correct envelope. It means like A can go to, I think, what is it? There are only 6 ways in which 2 letters can go into the correct envelope. What is that meaning? There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters, talks about only 2 letters can go into the correct envelope.
So can we consider this as one way, sir?
To take A and B, right? What are the envelopes are? P, Q, or S. Okay, right. So A can be goes to this also, this also, this also, this also. What are the ways, or you can say? 4 ways, right? And B can go to board colors. This P, Q, or S. Only 2 letters can go into the correct or incorrect? Into the correct envelope. Only 2 letters can go into the correct envelopes. It means correct envelope. So, if you take like that, which of the statements is above is or correct? What is that is? What's the way that is? Even I am unable to do this one. There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into the correct envelopes. Even if you take 2 factorial, 2 1 3, no, I am unable to come up with this idea. This is yeah. Do you see anywhere answer for this? We told can go into the correct. There are 4 letters out there. I don't know. Right. I do not really. Yes. I'll see that. Sometime tomorrow or tomorrow I'll tell. Yes. Next you can see 2 statements 40. I think the same numbers. I think repeated question this is. No? All numbers are divisible by all numbers are divisible by. I think this is. I have to remove this question. This is. I have to remove this question. Right, next you can take a 5-storied building with floors from 1 to 5 is painted using 4 different colors and only one color is used to paint a floor. A 5-storied building with 4 floors from 1 to 5 is painted using the different colors, using only one color is used to paint a floor. The middle 3 floors are painted in different colors. The second and the 4th floors are painted in different colors. The first one and the 5th one, yeah, you have to tell that is what is possible for this. Yeah, right, you tell me now. A 5-story building with floors from 1 to 5 to paint it using the 4 different colors. Only using one color used to paint a floor. The middle 3 floors are painted in different colors.
Yes, sir, possible.
Possible?
Andre ade agutte.
Which one? One.
Because 5 stories building.
It's a 5-story building.
The middle should be 3 different colors only.
There are 1 to 5 painted using 4 different colors. Using 4 different colors. Colors used to be used in 4 different colors. 4 colors. There are 5-story building. And 1 color is used to paint floor. The middle 3 floors are painted in different colors. And that's what, na? See that. If you look at think that is
Okay, these are statements, sir. Okay. Sir, diagram is sir. 5 stories.
That statement. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3.
5 stories building diagram.
Yeah.
5.
All right, I can see that. Yes. So this 5-story building. Okay. This is the ground floor. First, second, third, and fourth. 1 to 5 it says that is we write. Yeah. We'll write like that only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, finish.
Middle 3 floors are painted different colors.
Middle 3 floors are painted different colors. Let us
red, yellow, white color.
XYZ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. Okay, XYZ. Name of the class is XY. All different colors. The middle 3 floors are painted in different colors. Okay, now the second and the fourth floor, second and the fourth, this one. Second and the fourth floors are painted in different colors.
Same.
Same. Yeah, same. Again, same information. 1 and 2 both are same information, isn't it? The third statement. The first and the fifth floors are painted red. First and this one. You can take any other. You can take this is red, or you can take red. You can say like that. 4 colors are used. I think this 3 is the correct one. Statement 3 is the correct one. But what is the conclusion?
1 and 2 is required.
1 and 2 because the same information is given.
1 and 2 only. 1 and 3.
But here you have to say to ensure that any 2 consecutive floors have different colors. To ensure that any 2 consecutive floors have different colors. Any consecutive floors are different. It's right. Okay. And only statement 2 is sufficient. No, statement 2, statement 1 also follows like that. Only statement 3 is sufficient. Statement 3, yes, this is correct. Statement 1 is not sufficient, that we cannot say that is along with statement 2. Okay, take B. Option is B. B is what? Statement 3 is appropriate. Yes, next one you can take. Yes.
Sir, by only using statement 2, we can write there X header.
Because statement 1 and 2 we get.
Okay. They is asking 2 consecutive floors should have different colors.
Yes.
Which statement anta? So innan building.
Which one? Statement 2, na? You're talking about statement 2. Option A, na? This one. See here, if you see the statement 1 and statement 2.
Only statement 2, sir.
Statement is the second and the fourth floors are painted in different colors. Statement 2 and statement 4 different colors. That is yes.
Yes, sir. Then we can say all consecutive floors are different as they are.
Statement 2 and statement 4 are different colors. But what about we do not know about the third floor. SSA consecutive floors means continuously, without any break. But this color is not known. If you take second and 4 is a different colors, means what about this one? We don't know. So we don't know, that's all. But if you look at the 3, but very clear information, because totally there are 4 colors is to be used, and 3 floors, in the middle 3 floors are different colors are used, and the 4th color can be the same for first and 5th floor, like that. Okay? Yes. Next you can take. For the following questions, read the following statement. S1 and S2 are answered the 2 questions that follow. And twice the weight of Sohan is less than the weight of Mohan or that of Rohan. Twice the, okay, again you have to write the equation. It's like that. Which of the following statements is correct? Why it has come like that? I think for this, there are 2 questions for this information actually. Question number 42, 43, the same information. Isn't it? Right. Now what is say? Twice the weight of Sohan. Twice the weight of Sohan. How to write the equation? Twice the weight of Sohan.
2 times S.
Sohan means you can write yes. Okay. Twice the weight of Sohan. 2s is less than the weight of Mohan.
2s
less than the weight of Mohan or that of Rohan. How do you write now?
2s is less than m.
Equals you cannot write. Less than
m.
Mohan or that of Rohan. Like that we can write. Correct? And see, next twice the weight of Rohan. Twice the weight. 2 or Rohan is greater than the weight of Mohan or that of Sohan. I think this is the information. I thought it looks complicated but easier one that is. Which one of the following statement is correct? Weight of Mohan is greatest. Weight of Mohan, no. In both the statements, it's not correct. Weight of Sohan is greatest. Weight of Sohan is greatest. No. Again, weight of Rohan is greatest. Weight of Rohan is greatest. Rohan, no, cannot say. And whose weight is greatest cannot be determined. That is right. We can't determine. But same information, we have another question that is. Which one of the following statement is correct? Weight of Mohan is least. Weight of Mohan is least. Is it possible?
No, sir.
Okay. Weight of Sohan is least.
Yes, sir.
Weight of Sohan is least. Weight of Sohan is least.
Because twice the Sohan Akuru is less than.
Yeah.
Twice the weight Akuru more than the current.
Yes, that is a thing. Now weight of Rohan is least. Which is the correct option? Option
B.
Right.
Next question.
Now.
7.
Yes. Now. Directions.
Each question will carry separate marks. After questions.
No, 2.5. Information is same. Actually,
but 2 different questions only.
Yeah, different questions. Even passage is also the same thing. Sometimes passage is given followed by 2 questions. Antave nodkobeku first. Passage small irutte. Just like that. Right. Next you can assume first you see that you have to see passages. You have to concentrate on assumptions and statements. Assumption is easily you can solve. Okay. Direction consider. No right. No supporters of party X who need Z and supported his campaign strategy agreed for the alliance with the party Y, but some of them had friends in party Y. What is the thing you can see? No supporters of party X who knew Z and supported his campaign strategy agreed for the alliance with the party Y, but some of them had friends in the party. Lot of confusion, you can say. Okay. Now you have to be. You read that.
Sir, no supporters satisfied A.
With reference to the above information, which one of among the following statement must be true? Some supporters of party Y Some supporters of party Y did not agree for the alliance with the party X. No supporters of party X, let us take here. Here.
Who knew Z?
It is a party Y. Alliance with the party Y, he says. But they right. Some supporters of party Y did not agree. There is at least one supporter of party Y who knew some supporters of party X as a friend. I think lot of confusion, isn't it? Yes.
But some supporters of party Y did not agree for the alliance with party X.
Horrible one that is. Yes, sir. Now we can see in the question what is that no supporters of party X who knew Z, because no supporters of party X knew Z and supported his campaign strategy, agreed for the alliance with the party Y.
So Z.
But some of them had friends in the party Y. Okay. Yes. What's that?
Sir, no supporters of party X, so let us say A.
Because no supporters is willing to have an alliance with the party Y.
Sir.
Correct?
A
Because this is additional information. First group you can see and last group you can see here. Now, some supporters of party Y did not agree with the alliance with party X. This is right. This is right. Okay. Anyway, that's right. There is at least one supporter of party Y who knew some supporters of party X now as a friend. No, Namagadu, we don't know. Okay.
So see. Sir, come back.
Right. What is the next one? Right. What is the next one? All healthy. What is the statement? Right. Statement. Morning walk is good for health. Morning walk is good for statement. This is the conclusion. Morning walk is good for health. That is a statement. All healthy people go for morning walk. I think you cannot determine that. Morning is good for health means all healthy people go for morning walk. You cannot say that. Morning walk is essential. Essentially, no, you cannot say. It means neither one nor two. What is the option? What is the option? D. Isn't it? Right. Next. Next. Statement. Good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve. Good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well in the field of music. Conclusions. Right. Good voice. What is the statement? You can say good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well in the field of music. Okay. Right. Good voice is a natural gift. That's what he says that. Natural gifts need nurturing and care.
Yes, sir.
Natural gift. Good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well in the field of music. Natural gifts need nurturing and care. How it is correct? This talks about only good voice. This is talks about good voice. But natural gifts means again their meaning changes. So you cannot say that is. Even though one's voice is not good, one can keep practicing.
Yes, sir.
But if we give the statement that satisfies that.
Yes, sir. Satisfied.
How?
That I use money. Good voice is a natural gift.
Good voice is a natural gift.
But one has to keep practicing.
Yes.
But means one who doesn't have good voice, if he keeps practicing, he can excel in the field of music and others.
Yes. So even though one voice is not good, it talks about, yes,
Correct.
Not good. One can keep practicing. Which one of the following is correct? Only one conclusion follows from the statement, only two follows from the statement,
Only
either
two.
conclusion one or two, neither conclusion one nor two follows. Yes. Statement 1 is okay, that's not correct. Statement 2.
Only two.
Only talks about good voice. Even voice is not good, why you do this thing? Whether even voice is not good, is that become a natural gift? No. So little confusion this is, but this is
But use statement
where
good voice is a natural gift.
okay, yes, yes.
But
One has to keep practicing, that's all. Yes, yes.
use one has to they are only saying about good voice and we can come to the conclusion.
Okay.
But they use the word but. But means they are including the one who is not having good voice also.
No, but gives us several meanings. But always never gives the but refers to the only the statement word which is given prior to that. But doesn't mean it's a negative word.
So comparing with the prior only.
Good voice.
Prior, good voice.
Yes, yes. Good voice is a natural gift, subject to practicing to improve and excel in the field of music. If you keep practice, good voice is a natural gift, fine. If you practice well, that will excel. You will achieve the highest excellence in the field of music. Doesn't mean it's compulsory to practice it. If you practice, if you're nurturing that voice, practicing continuously, you can do excel in the field of music. That is the thing. And even though the voice is not good, you cannot say that. So, neither one nor two. Option A. Not for typical one. Yes, next one you can take. What now I can say? The rate of population growth is increasing in the country. That's our only statement, sir. What is the question you can see? I think there is no question. No question here. Which of the following conclusion may be true in the light of the given facts? What are the facts? You can see 4 facts are given. The rate of population growth is increasing in the country, right? Population is being increased. The death rate is declining faster in the country compared to the birth rates. The birth rate is declining faster in the country compared to the death rates. Rural urban migration is taking place regularly in the country. Which of the following be correct? What is now we have to see that. And the rate of population growth is increasing due to the rate of population growth is increasing due to the rural urban migration. Do you say that? One. Yeah, this is the information. The rate of population growth is increasing in the country. Entire talks about whole country, whether it's a rural area, urban area, is another thing to mention. Total overall population of the country is increasing continuously, right? The death rate is declining faster. The death rate is declining. Death rate is being reduced faster in the country compared to the birth rate. Comparatively to the birth rates. It means birth rate is more, right? Birth rate is declining faster in the country compared to the, I think, vice versa is given. Rural urban migration taking, I think rural urban will not come into the picture at all. I don't know. Let us see the count. Yes. Yes.
The rate of population is increasing due to no sir.
The rate of population growth increasing due to the rural urban? Absolutely not, isn't it? By saying this, right. The rate of population growth is increasing due to decline in death rate only. Death rate only, no, we cannot say. Birth rate also, no? So we cannot say. Because of the only, we cannot, I think that is a rate only we cannot say. The rate of population growth is increasing due to increase in the birth rate only. Only we cannot say. The rate of population growth is increasing due to faster decline in death rates than in birth rates. Yes, that is there. That satisfies. Okay, yes, sir. And we shall go either for a picnic or for trekking. Right. we shall go for either for a picnic, we shall go either for a picnic or for trekking. So either for a picnic or for trekking. One of these two only we will do. Either or means there are two things, either this or that. One of those will do. Neither nor means what? None of the two. Right. That is a statement. Which of the following is true would falsify this claim. Falsify the claim. Negative yet. So we go for a picnic but not for trekking. We cannot say that. Either picnic or trekking. And okay, after that we can make a reverse way, you can do that. Activities such as picnic and trekking are encouraged by the health authorities. No, nothing to do with this. And statement, we go for trekking, not for picnic. No, we cannot say that. We do not go either for picnic nor for trek, I think. Because either not.
It is falsifying the statement.
Falsify the
statement. Picnic or trekking.
Because not is there. Falsify the statement. That's yes, next one. Yes, next we can take. Consider the following statements. A man had a wife, 2 sons and 2 daughters in his family. A man had, what is the question? No, nothing. No question. A man had a wife.
2 sons, 2 daughters.
A man. Wife. 2 daughters and 2 daughters, no?
And sons. 2 daughters and
wife. Sorry.
Correct.
Man.
Wife.
Plus wife. 2 sons and 2 daughters, no? 2 sons plus 2 daughters. Right. In his family, right. The daughters were invited to a feast and the male members of the family went out to take part in a picnic. The daughters were invited to a feast, okay, and the male members of the family went out to part a picnic, right. The man's father did not return from his work. Which of the following statement is true? What is that?
Only the man's wife has.
Statement 1 says this much information. Statement 2 says what? The daughters were invited for a feast and male members of the family went out to take part in a picnic. It means what about the wife is not given. It talks about daughters were invited. Sons we do not know. And male members of the family went out to pick. It means male members of the family means what? Father and sons. It means that mother is, the man's wife is not given information here. The man's father did not return from his work. Man's father did not return from his work. That's what is. There are 3 statements. Which of the following is true? Only the man's wife was left at home.
Yes, sir.
Only the man's wife was left at home.
Yes, sir.
It is likely that the man's wife was left at home. None was left at home. More than one person was left at either what?
Only man's wife.
How you can say?
Sir, 2 sons and a man gone for picnic. 2 daughters gone for feast. Man's.
The daughters were invited for a feast, and male members of the family went out to take part in a picnic. Okay.
So male members means 2 sons and man.
Yes.
Gone for picnic. 2 daughters gone for feast.
Yes.
Then
Feast.
man's father gone for work.
Did not.
Only remained his wife. She might be in home only.
Only the man's
Or
wife was left at home.
It is likely that man's wife was left at home.
Between A and B you have to choose. Between A and B. But
likely or
likely you can is a possibility.
A possibility. She might be in the home or she might also have gone.
Yes, it's more likely. Like that. That's closest. If this option is not there, this A is right. Yes, next. Now we can take. Yes. Consider the following statement. Some claim to have seen UFOs, unidentified flying objects. Okay. Life on some claim to have seen. Okay. Some claim to have seen unidentified flying objects. Life on other heavenly bodies is considered to be a possibility. There is a possibility. Some voyage to space is now an established fact. From the above statement may be concluded that what is the ticket? UFOs are heavenly bodies? No, that we do not know. UFOs are sent from other heavenly bodies. Some living species in other heavenly bodies are more intelligent than man. Nothing definite can be said about the statement. Yes. What can be said about? Little English. It's a moral like a passage, this is. See, some claim to have seen some UFOs. Some people have seen that like a UFOs. The people, I see that there are some UFOs, unidentified flying objects or that. Life on other heavenly bodies is considered to be a possibility. There is a possibility like that, heavenly body like that. Okay. Voyage to space is now an established fact. From the above statement, it may be concluded that UFOs are heavenly bodies, we cannot say. Okay. Anything it may be. We do not know. UFOs are sent from other heavenly bodies. From that, we cannot say that is. Some living species in other heavenly bodies are more intelligent than man. That at all information is not there. Nothing different can be said about the UFOs.
D.
Right. No calculation, nothing. We have to read very carefully to answer that question. Yes, next one.
Naresh.
Yes, sir. Now, Gita, Naresh has become a better boxer since he started meditation. Said that. Gita says that Naresh has become a better boxer since he started meditation. Right. Rather, impossible. A boxer's most important asset is aggressiveness. She says impossible and aggressiveness is required, she said. Gita talks about because of the meditation is improved his performance. And she says that is nothing like that, aggressiveness is required. Both statements are. Radha's statement reflects her belief that Radha's statements reflects that meditation tends to make person, no, that is reverse way this is. No, meditation tends to make a person less aggressive. Meditation tends to make a person less aggressive. Meditation has a little or no effect on the person who practices it. Naresh was a poor, okay, I will not at all come there. Okay, what is the correct option? A. Option A. Yes, okay. Next one. Consider the following sentences. Every composite number is, okay, now again. Now you can see that, okay. Every composite number is a natural number. Every composite number is a natural number, yes. Every prime number is not every prime number is a natural number. Every composite number is also a natural number. That one, right? And this is correct. Every whole number is a natural number? No.
Zero is not a...
Yes. So, it's simple one, no? Only one. I don't know, a lot of very simple question has been asked. I think...
serious,
Serious CSAT. It's like that. Actually, people know they keep practicing bigger questions, they leave smaller questions and go. They see psychological factors. Psychological factors, you know. That's why we have to read the statement properly. That's all.
4 minutes are waiting at Delhi.
Yeah, right.
Delhi or Mumbai.
Four men are waiting at Delhi airport for a Mumbai flight. Two are doctors. Two are businessmen. Two speak Gujarati. Other base. Two speak Gujarati. Two speak Tamil. Right. No two of the same profession speak the same language. So like what will happen if we say the doctors, two doctors means
Sir, best to ABCD confuse.
Okay.
ABCD are 4 persons.
A, B, C, D. Right.
A is doctor.
You can say A is the doctor.
B is doctor.
C is a businessman. C is also D also businessman.
So
yeah.
A speaks Gujarati.
A speaks
Gujarati.
Gujarati and Tamil you can take.
Gujarati. A speaks Gujarati.
Okay, all right. Gujarati.
B Tamil.
Tamil.
Gujarati. Tamil.
Yes, right.
This one.
Now we can see.
Two are Muslims and two are Christians. No two of the same religions or of same profession. Nor
do they speak
same language.
Speak same language. The Tamil speaking doctor is a Christian. I don't know. We have to see that is. I think we have to put a table and do that.
Again, continue, sir.
Okay.
Two are Muslims and two are Christians. No two of the same religions or of same profession.
Yes.
Nor they speak same language. Sir, Muslim and the
take anything like that. See, if you take statement, the Christian businessman speaks Gujarati. We have taken a businessman. We can take like this, you know.
Muslim or Christian.
We can conclude like that. Whatever the information is there, we can write.
Sir, information
yes.
Two are Muslims and two are Christians.
Yes.
Adana now conclude Adana sir, two doctors, two businessmen. Now, two are Muslims and two are Christians. No two are the same religions.
Muslims, there are two. Christians, there are two. No two of the same profession speak the same language. That we have taken. Okay.
Sir,
it means if we take A is a doctor. Let us take doctor.
Gujarati.
Doctor. Okay. You can speaks what? Gujarati. And okay, Muslim. B is
Doctor.
B is a doctor. Tamil. Let's take Christian. Okay. And C, businessman you can take. Speaks Gujarati. And Muslim you can take. Okay. D, businessman you can take. Tamil you can take here. And Christian you can take. Over. There are two Muslim and two Christian. No two of the same religion or of the same profession. No, that's right. Doctor Tamil. Already is put. Okay. Yes, Tamil.
B is Gujarati.
Yes, Gujarati.
Now we will see. No two same religion, two are same profession, or not they speak same language. Okay, sir. Now perfect.
Now it's perfect. Okay.
Christian
businessman speaks Gujarati. Christian businessman speaks
Tamil.
Gujarati. Christian.
Illa sir, Tamil. Tamil.
Yes, only but Gujarati is there. Gujarati speaking doctor is a Muslim. Gujarati doctor speaking is a Muslim. Yeah. So what? No, I'll tell you. See, do one thing. Yeah, but that is best one actually.
Sir, Tamil speaking daughter is a Christian.
Yeah. Right. So you can take, there are 4 people, A, B, C, D.
Sir, first prakara Tamil speaking doctor is a Christian.
Tamil
A is doctor, D is sir.
This is the doctor, correct?
Tamil language.
Tamil.
Christian.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
based on the statement only you can write.
Sir.
No, based on the statement only you can write. Or you can do anything, whatever.
Sir, the statement is correct and approve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay. Doctor, Tamil, Christian. Okay.
Now B.
He cannot be a doctor.
Doctor.
Businessman you can take.
Yes, sir. Doctor.
Okay. Doctor.
Gujarati.
Gujarati.
Muslim.
Muslim.
Businessman.
Next, this is a businessman. This is all businessman. Okay.
Gujarati.
Yes.
Christian. Tamil. Muslim.
Right.
Now, Christian, businessman.
No 2 doctors of this are businessmen. Okay. Christians, no 2 of the same religion of the same profession. Okay, yes.
Christian businessman speaks Gujarati, correct, sir?
Christian businessman speaks Gujarati. Christian businessman speaks Gujarati. Yes, this is right. It means this is right. Gujarati speaking doctor is Muslim. Gujarati speaking doctor is Muslim. Okay. Both one. Right. Yes, next you can take. Yeah, 55. Examine the following statements. None but students are members of the club. I think the statements, question is not given. Only thing which of the following statement is correct. None but students are members of the club. Some members of the club are married persons. All married persons are invited for dance. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from the above statements? None but students.
Sir, first club students are the members.
Yes.
All students are members of the club. Correct answer.
See, it means which one you are talking?
Statement 1.
Statement 1 is what?
Students are members of the club anta we came to know.
Students are the
members of the club.
Okay.
And
except students are the members of the club. None but students. Okay, correct. Students are the members of the club. Okay. Because of the first word is what? None is there. But students are the members of the club. Okay. Some members of the club are married persons. Some members of the club are married persons. There are many members. All married persons are invited for dance. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from this? All students are invited for dance? No. All married students of the club are invited for dance?
Yes.
Yes. By seeing that only you can finish it. This is.
All members of the club are married persons? No.
No, it is not that. It is there. What is the option? B. But easier one actually. There is no complication for that. That's why we have to see the statements and options also. Right, now we can see. Now, Sachin's monthly salary is rupees 4,000. What is Rosal's monthly salary? Okay. Rajan gets rupees 500 more than the average salary of his and Sachin's. Average of Sachin's and Rajan's salary is 4,500. Which of the following is in respect of the question? Sachin's salary, monthly salary rupees 4,000. Very clear. Sachin's salary is what? 4,000 salary. What is Rajan's salary? Rajan's salary is how much?
By statement to alone we can determine the...
Now, Rajan's salary is wanted to know. Okay. Rajan gets 500 rupees more than the average salary of his and Sachin's. But average means what is average?
4,000.
Sachin's salary is known. His salary is not known.
That is 4,000 plus x by 2.
No.
Average gottilla namige.
That's what.
So statement 1 is...
Total money is also not given, average is also not given. Average is a question mark. But average, it says 500 rupees more than the average of both and such. Sachin's salary is known. Because average means what? 1,000, 4,000 plus Rajan's salary by 2. So you will get the average. And he gets average plus 500. What is then our salary? So we can't determine statement 1. A doesn't suit for us. The question can be, the average of statement 1.
No.
Statement average of Sachin's and Rajan's salary is average of Sachin's and Rajan's salary is 4,000. That can be taken. Total salary will become 9,000. Yeah. It means 2 will answer the question like that.
Only 2 enough.
Only 2. The question can be answered by using either statement alone. Check that. This question can be answered by using one of the statements alone. So question can be answered by using both the statements together. Both the statement is not required. The question can be answered even without using any of the statements. Any of the statements is not possible. Now A and B, carefully you have to see that. A and B you have to see.
By using either, sir. By using only one we cannot...
The question can be answered by using one of the statements alone. One statement.
But
like that you can take one. The question can be answered using by either statements alone.
No, sir.
Either statements means one also will qualify, 2 also will qualify.
But one we can't answer. By one we cannot answer.
We cannot answer, that is
so
all.
Option A.
Right. Okay. So now we can take
A.
But if you look at slightly, one also will satisfy that anta ansutte.
So how can we determine?
Because Rajan gets 500 more than the average salary of his Sachin's means the total salary can be taken as 1,000. Okay. If you take slightly hidden point, Rajan gets 500 rupees more than the average salary of his and Sachin. Sachin's salary is known. Sachin's salary is known. It is given in the statement. And what is the Rajan's salary you can take? Rajan gets 500 rupees more than the average salary of his and Sachin. 500 rupees more means 500 more than the average.
Sir,
Yes, that's what.
500 plus average anta tagondu sir ivaga 4,000 plus r by 2 so barite sir
4,000
plus r by 2
r by 2
total by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ average r by 2
r
overall by 2 divided by 2 sir full 4,000 plus r by 2 equals to average alla sir.
Definitely yes.
X anta tavana average. So 4,000 plus x plus
4,000
plus x plus 500
x plus 500
by 2 whole divided by 2 equals to x.
Equal to x.
So we will get x. Average sigutte. From average 500 minus 1
you get one will qualify.
So either 1 or 2. You add one into
carefully observe that. Either statement is possible. It means
B option.
Right. Both will qualify. Both statements will suffice the answer. Next. Next. Income of C is equal to the average of PQR. Income of C is equal to the average of P plus P plus.
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ABC.
So the total of present ages of A, B and C, D is 96 years. What is B's present age? Okay, all right. The total of the present ages of A, B and C, D. A plus B plus C plus D is 96 years. What is B's present age? This is the present ages only. What is B's present age? Right.
A plus B plus D by A equals to 20.
The statement you have to see. The average age of A, B and D is 20 years. A plus B plus D, average is what? 20 into 3, 60 it will come. But what is the average? Average is 20 means total ages are 60.
By 3.
Okay. See, but what is the average? What is the age of A, B, D? We do not know, because this is not the consecutive numbers. Like that, we do not know. So one will not. Okay, one alone will not satisfy. Right. Statement 2. Let us take the average age of C and D is 25. C plus D 25 into 2. It means 50 years. But what is C, what is D, we do not know. But actually B is not here. We want to know for B. Statement 1 alone we don't get any information. Statement from 2 alone, but both you can try. You can see that. Both you can try. Like C and D. C and D 25 will get.
D is
this is totally 60.
So 60 plus C equals 96.
Yeah. So like
60
total 60. What is that? 60
plus C
plus C
equals to 96.
96.
C equals to
C 60 and C equals to 36. 96. Then you will get answer. The question can be answered by using both the statements. Option C.
C in the D. A plus B
What sector?
C and sector. But
C.
they are asking B's age.
All right. You can see this is 96, no? Statement 1 ABD is 60. Wait. ABD. A plus B plus D is equals to what? 60. It means what is not given here? C. Then C can be is what? 36 you can take. Okay.
From second statement, we say D is equals to 50 minus 36.
50 means
50 minus 36.
D can be taken as
14. CD we came to know.
CD we came to know.
A and B.
CD we came to know, but C is known, D is known now very clearly. But what about A plus B? B, we wanted to know for B, but anywhere you can take A, right, 20, but say 60, slightly you can take, that's our information. We don't get actually. A also cannot be known, A also cannot be determined, B also cannot be determined. So question, what is the options you have to see now?
D.
The question can be answered by using no. Right. The question can be answered by using either no. The question cannot be answered by using both the statements. This right. Cannot be answered. Right. That is the thing. Yes. Next. What is the average age of children in this class? Right now we can take what is the average of the children in this class? Now, what is the average of the children in this class? Question is what? Average age of children, right? Age of the teacher is as many years as the number of children. We don't get. Do you get any information from the statement 1? No. Average age increased by 1 year if the teacher's age is also included. What do you say that is? Because we have done average lessons, no? Age of the teacher is, we wanted to know the average age of the children. It means average of the children, what we need to know? We need to know the total number of teachers, years. The total number of years is known, okay. And total number of students also we wanted to know. But nothing is there. Okay, now in the statements we can see. Age of the teacher is as many years as the number of children. If there are as many as the children, there are 30 children, teacher's age is 30 years. If there are 40 children, 40 years. We can't determine. Right. Now statement 2, average age increased by 1 year. 1 year increase. The teacher's age is also included. What is the teacher's age? Nothing is, no numbers are given. So both cannot, the question cannot be answered by using both the statement. But actually easy one. Very easy one. Right now, now you can see, try and say that is. John had an average score of 85 marks in 3 tests. What was John's lowest score? John had an average score of 85 marks in the 3 tests. Average score of 85 marks in 3 tests. What was John's lowest score? Right. John's highest score was 95. 95 is the very highest score. Average is what? 85. Right. 85 into 3, total 3 tests. Total marks are what? 255. 255. Largest is what? John's highest score was 95. Okay. And we do not know.
Average of 2, John's highest is 95 plus x by 2 equals to 92.
What was our lowest score is what is being asked. Lowest score is being asked. This is the highest score.
Next to statement 2.
Statement 2 we don't know. That's why we are doing. Average of John's 2 highest scores. 2 highest scores was 92. 2 highest, average 2 highest 2. It means 92 into 2. It means 184.
2 highest score in one subject.
Average of 2 highest scores.
One subject is scored 95.
That you keep that aside first. Talk about only statement 2. Do you get answer from statement 1 alone? No. Statement 2 alone you have to see that. Statement 2 alone is what? Average of 2 highest scores was 92. Total scores is 184. Then what is the total scores is scored? 255 minus 184 is what?
1.
This is the average of 2 highest scores. Naturally the lowest it will come, that is. Okay. Right.
Sir, by clubbing 1 and 2 statements.
Club 1 and 2 you have to see now. 90. John's highest score was 95. This is this is 184. If you take no, highest score is 95.
Two
highest scores is 184.
Two highest only one
Second
score will be 95, sir. Sir, Kannada English maths paper ittu andre they have given.
Okay. See, you write like this. This is the paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Let us say this is the highest marks.
Highest is 95.
95. And in the other statements, two highest scores is 92. Average means average into 2.
So 95 plus x by 2 equals to 92.
No, I am telling, see, average is of John's two highest scores was 92. What is the total? 92 into 2. Highest, two highest scores.
Sir, here you are considering 92 is only the highest score.
92 is not the highest. This is the average of two highest scores.
Sir, then the highest score what was?
See, this is the average of the two highest scores, 92. What is the total marks then here? 184.
184.
Average is 92.
184 marks in two subjects, sir.
From that two yes.
184 marks in two subjects.
Two subjects.
So one subject is?
Now 195 is there.
One subject is 95.
One subject is 95.
Other subject?
185 minus, 184 minus 95. 89 it will come. It means this can be 89 it can take. Now what total marks is what? 255. 255 minus 89 plus 95, this already is there, 184.
So 71 in other paper.
Yes. 71. It is.
Paper 1 71.
Paper 1 71. This is the lowest. It means you have to take both the statements. The question can be answered by using both the statements together. Right. Are you clear now? You had that, sir? Okay.
Now
yeah. Now we can take C. Sorry, 61. Right. The average age of PQR is 30 years. How old is R? The average age of PQR and S is 30 years. How old is R? I think more or less questions are like this only. Even I have put some questions like that. I have taken from other sources. The average age of PQR and S is 30 years. How old is R?
P plus Q plus R plus
P plus
Q
plus Q plus R plus S
equals to 120.
Equals to 4 into
30.
30. So 120. Right.
Sum of it.
The sum of ages of P and R is 60 years. Sum of the P and R. So P plus R is 60. Then 60 means Q plus S is 60. Is understood. Okay. 60 years.
S is 10 years younger than
S is 10 years younger than R. S is 10 years younger than R is talks about. S is 10 years younger than R. S is younger than R. Okay. Which one of the following correct? Okay. The question can be, I think.
Cannot be answered, sir.
How old is R? The question is what? How old is R? Now, like that you cannot see because S says that is S is 10 years younger than R. S is in this group, R is in this group.
Sir,
we cannot say, we cannot determine that. It means the question cannot be answered by using both the statements together. Right.
Sir, but I munde baride.
Yeah. What is that?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Now I have taken some additional questions like that. These are I have taken additional questions, not CSAT questions, sir. Additional questions I have taken.
What is the salary of R?
Just next. What is the salary of R in a group of PQ, R, S and T whose average salary is so much? I have taken additional questions. This is actually now on all additional questions because for the sake of practice. What is the salary of R in a group of PQ, RS and T? PQ, RS and T whose average salary is 45,980. Right, total something like total salary of P and T is total salary of P and T is so much. Total salary of Q and S is so much. But all salary can be known. Both statements together. Both statements are taken together. Now,
what is the salary?
yeah. Did you understand or not? Why? See, what the question is what is the salary for in a group of so many? Average so much of salary. Leave that money. Very big money that is. You can't take for calculations. And statement one, total salary of the P and T is so much. Okay.
Q and S.
And Q and S is there. Balance is our salary. If you take two statements taken together, you can answer the question. Can be answered by using both the statement. Right. Right. Now we can see what is the average monthly income per family member. What is the average income for monthly income for family member? See, all these questions I have taken this just only. Each male earns rupees. What is the average monthly income? Average monthly income per family member. Per family member. Each male earns 1,050 a month, and each female earns so much. But how many people are in the family is not known. So one alone will not determine it. Ratio of males and females in the family is 2:1. 2:1. If you even take 2 alone, we do not know. But both you can take, that is possible. The question can be answered by using both the statements together. Right. Okay. Now, what is a 2-digit number? What is a 2-digit number? Again, compare 2-digit numbers. The difference between the 2 digits is 9. What is a 2-digit number? Fine. What is a 2-digit number?
9.
The difference between 2 digits is 9. The difference between x minus y is 9, like that. Right. So we can't determine. Can you determine? Huh?
9 barathara.
It is given like that. Let us see. Take.
Some of the digits is the difference.
Yes. The difference between the 2 digits. What is a 2-digit number? It says the difference between the 2 digits is 9. It says that is how that is possible. The difference between the 2 digits. The difference between the 2 digits is 9. 2 digits. Not possible. 9 and say there is only one number is possible like that. 90. It means what? 9 minus 0 is 9, no? Can't you say? The difference between the 2 digits is 9. But there is only one number is possible.
9.
But you cannot take 8 again here in the tens place. Can you take 8? No. Nothing, no number can be taken. That's the largest. I think that one is, yeah. One is one alone is sufficient. Right. The sum of the digits is equal to the difference between the 2 digits. Sum of the digits is equal to the difference between the 2 digits.
Only 90 is possible.
That's not at all possible. Only question can be answered by using one of the statements alone, but not the other statement. That's all. One of the statements. Either means both are possible.
Sir, from 2 also possible.
Both are possible, one is sufficient. This is one of the statements is possible.
But
There are two statements, one statement suffice.
But cannot be answered using the other statement alone.
There are two statements, one statement will suffice the answer, another statement is not required. That's the meaning.
But cannot be answered, ಅದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
Correct. One statement
depend ಇರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
No. That same CSAT questions are coming like this only. See that same language it is happening now. The question can be answered by using one of the statements. There are two statements, one statement will give the answer.
Yes, sir.
But other statement cannot use alone. But cannot be answered using the other statement. One statement and next statement is other statement.
Sir.
Yes, only one statement will giving the answer, no?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
No, it's not dependent.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ cannot be answered using the
other statement. Which is that other statement in this? What is the other statement? What is that one statement? There are two statements. What is that other statement? There are two statements. You take one statement, either A or B, and another statement will becomes other statement. Even CSAT is also same language is being used. Okay, right. If you see that question option B, question can be answered by using either statements alone. Either statements will, A will also answer, B also will answer. Any one statement is sufficient.
Sufficient.
Two statements are giving answer.
One statement is ಸಾಕು.
Either means
either one or two.
Either one is also sufficient or second statement is also sufficient. Either ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎರಡು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ.
ಈದರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಂದೂ ಆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? ಈದರ್ ಒಂದೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಉತ್ತರ, ಎರಡೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 0. ಎಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 9 + 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 9 - 0. So
yes.
9 is equals to 9.
9 - 0. This is 9, this is 9. That's what you want to say.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಇವಾಗ 9 can be.
No. ಅವಾಗ you don't take 1 into that. Only second statement ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅದೇ either 1 or 2.
No, see that. ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬೋತ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇದೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬೋತ್ಗಿನೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 100 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 28 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 43 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 57 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇದು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 3. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 6. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 43 ಇನ್ ದ 7 ಇದು 1. 5 and 7 12. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 2. ಹೌ ಯು ಟೇಕ್?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಬರೀ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 91.
ದಟ್ಸ್
ಸಹ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ.
That's what you say, that is sum of the digits is equal to the difference between the sum of the digits. Okay, if you take 90, correct? What is the sum of the digits?
9.
9 plus 0 is what?
9.
9. Equal is there. The difference between the two digits. Difference between the two digits. Difference between the two digits is there?
9.
9 is, you say that 9.
So, ಇದೊಂದೇ value possible ಇರೋದು. So, it is also unique number.
Difference between the two digits is what you are trying to say, that is. Difference between the two digits, 9 minus 0. If you take like that, you say 9 plus 0, sum of the digits is equals to 9 minus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. So 90 you can take ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ the question can be answered by using both the statements. ಅಲ್ಲ, the question can be answered even without ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The question can be answered by using either statement. B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, E ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You take option B. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರೋದು? Right, I don't know. Now what is a 2-digit number? Yes. Next one you can take. What is the value of a 2-digit number? AB. What is the value of the 2-digit number? AB. AB means what? A into B you can take, na? The difference between its digits is 2. The difference between its digits is 2. 2 means so many numbers you can write. No? What is the value of 2-digit number? The sum of its digit is 4. I think this can be taken. Both you have to take, I believe. What are the numbers can be taken here? Right. What is the possibilities you can see? What is the value of the 2-digit number AB? Value, it means AB means what? A into B you have to take 2-digit number. What is the value of 2-digit number AB? The difference between its digits is 2. It means what are the numbers can be written?
62.
9 7 and 8 6 7 5 6 4 3 5 3, so many it will come, like okay, and so many numbers it will come. Sum of its digits is 4. If you take only statement 2, sum of digits is 4. It means what? 4 means you can take 3 1 you can take 22 you can take 1 and 3 also can be taken. These are right. These are all 4. So you don't get any unique number. What is the value of number? 133, 133, 224, different numbers will happen. Both. Now we can difference between 2 digits is 2. Sum of digits is 4.
31 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ನಾ
yes
31 is the only value.
31 is the only value. 3 into 1 3 13 is also possible, no?
But 1 minus 3
that's ಆ ಥರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರ will not get. Sum of digits 4 2 2 4 ಅವಾಗ this cannot be taken here.
ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 31 only you can take. Yes, so you can take both the numbers.
both statements are
They can be answered by using either statement. illa illi the question cannot be answered by using both. The question can be answered even without using any of the statements. No,
option A.
Question can be answered by using one of the statements alone, cannot be answered using the other statement. No, that is even not correct. The question can be answered by using either statement. No, the question can be answered by using
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ 31 13 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. cannot be answered ಅಂತ.
If you take like that, you can take it can ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, as you said 13 is also possible ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. So
See,
cannot be
it
answered.
only says that the difference between the two digits is 2. 1, 3 also can be taken.
Then cannot be answered.
Cannot be answered, that is.
C option.
So that is the thing. Only says that is the difference between the two digits is 2. Either way you can take it. Because there are 2 such numbers are possible. No? Okay.
Then C option.
Yes, C is the option. Option no?
C.
C cannot be answered. Right. Okay. Yes, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir.
Okay. Because same type questions ಇದೆ. You can do it that is. ಮಾಡಿ. Those questions you have to do it. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಥರ questions ಇದೆ.